This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the business effectively. First, immerse yourself in the fundamentals, understanding that every successful venture relies on a solid grasp of its core operations. Begin by exploring the various departments, from sales and marketing to finance and human resources, recognizing their interconnected roles. This initial step is crucial for building a comprehensive perspective, allowing you to see the bigger picture and how each piece contributes to the overall success of an organization. It's about laying a strong groundwork. Next, actively observe and engage within your environment. Spend time shadowing colleagues in different departments, asking insightful questions about their daily tasks and strategic goals. This hands-on approach provides invaluable real-world context that textbooks simply cannot offer. Consider volunteering for cross-functional projects. This not only expands your skill set, but also demonstrates initiative and a willingness to learn beyond your primary responsibilities. Networking at industry events can also open doors to new perspectives and opportunities. Third, commit to continuous learning and skill development. The business world is constantly evolving, so staying current is paramount. Dedicate time each week to reading industry news, business books, and case studies. Consider enrolling in online courses or workshops to deepen your expertise in specific areas like data analysis or project management. Actively seek out mentors who can offer guidance and share their wealth of experience, providing invaluable insights into navigating complex business challenges and fostering your professional growth. Finally, cultivate strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities. This involves looking beyond immediate issues to understand their broader implications for the business. Practice analyzing complex situations, breaking them down into manageable parts, and proposing well-reasoned solutions. Consider how a decision in one area, such as marketing, might affect finance or operations. Developing this holistic view is essential for becoming a valuable contributor and a future leader, enabling you to drive meaningful impact within any organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.